This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get data into Excel. First, open Excel and navigate to the Data tab on the ribbon. Here, you will find options to import data from various sources. You can easily bring in information from text files, CSV, or even directly from the web. This initial step is crucial for setting up your spreadsheets efficiently. We will cover each method in detail, ensuring you can confidently populate your workbooks. To import external data, go to the Data tab and select Get Data. This powerful feature allows you to choose from a wide range of sources, including text files, CSV, and even web pages. You can also connect to various databases like SQL Server or Microsoft Access. Once connected, Excel helps you preview and load your data. Remember, you can refresh these connections to ensure your spreadsheet always reflects the latest information. After importing, data often needs cleaning. The Power Query Editor, accessible through Get Data and Transform Data, is your best friend here. You can remove duplicate rows, correct inconsistent entries, and split columns with ease. It also allows you to change data types, ensuring your numbers are numbers and dates are dates. This step is vital for accurate analysis and reporting, saving you significant time later on. For more complex scenarios, Excel offers advanced techniques. You can merge queries to combine data from different tables based on common columns, similar to a database join. Appending queries allows you to stack data from multiple sources with identical structures, creating one large dataset. These methods are incredibly useful for consolidating information. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Mastering these will elevate your data management skills significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.